Right now I've created a very simple HTML page that has a little bit of text, and then it points to an external picture, and when it gets put together and displayed by the web browser, this is what it looks like. Let me explain how it's actually made. Here I've got a little bit of a handout where I'm trying to set up a diagram of what's going on here. I've got an index.html page that, as we saw here, is this one here, which is my text document. And then that index.html links to a photo that is outside of the HTML document. If I go to the Finder, that's not the Finder. This is the Finder. If I go to the Finder here, we see that we have the index.html and we have the photo sitting next to it. So that relationship is actually stored here in the image source tag. This means that HTML is simply just text that points to documents and other files that are outside of that text file. In the case of iWeb, let me show you an example of a page or a site that was created with iWeb. Let me just open up this folder here. And as you can see, we have an index page, index.html. Then we have a folder. And inside we have more HTML and a bunch of other things in here like scripts. This is JavaScript. Media. These are all the elements that make up that particular site. And as you can see, it's quite extensive. If we go back, we can see the contents for the welcome page. Some of them are images. Actually, most of them are images. Some of them are cascading style sheets. Some of them are JavaScript. And again, don't get scared by the names and by the complexity of all of this stuff that gets added in this folder. We really don't care. iWeb does all of that for us. And that is the beauty of using the application.